In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create cartoon animation videos in Canva. 5 minutes. Let's jump right in. First, log into Canva. If you're new, the free plan works great for this tutorial. On the home page, type video in the search bar or pick a video template that fits your style. Templates are a great shortcut because they come with preset layouts and timing, but you can always start from a blank canvas if you prefer full control. Once you're inside the editor, head to the left side panel and open Elements. This is where you'll find graphics, shapes, and animated characters. Use the search bar and try keywords like cartoon, characters, or animated graphics. To keep things simple and budget friendly, click the filters and select animated and free. This narrows down the results to items you can use right away without extra cost. Drag the elements you like onto your canvas. You can mix characters, backgrounds, and text to build your scene. Resize and position them so your frame looks balanced. If you're using your own images and need to isolate a subject, the background remover in the Edit Image panel can help. Just note it's a Canva Pro feature. Now select a character or any element you want to move. Click Animate in the top toolbar, then choose Create an Animation. Click and drag the element across the screen to draw its motion path. For precise movements, hold Shift to keep the path straight. You'll see a live preview as you draw, which makes it easy to test different entrances, exits, and arcs. Adjust the speed and movement style to match your story. Faster speeds create energetic scenes, while slower speeds are better for dialogue or emphasis. If you want to build a sequence, duplicate the page to create the next scene. This helps maintain consistency with character positions and background layout. Between pages, add the match and move transition. Canva will detect identical elements and smoothly animate them from their position on one page to the next, creating a seamless flow that feels professional without extra keyframing. Add text for captions or titles using the text tab, and bring in audio from Canva's audio library or upload your own track. Keep voice and music balanced so your dialogue remains clear. When you're happy with the result, click Share, then Download. Choose MP4 video, pick your resolution, and export. That's it. Your cartoon animation is ready to share. Keep scenes short, stay consistent with style, and refine timing for the best results.